Hello guys and welcome to Computer Coder. Subscribe to Computer Coder for more coding updates. Today let us get into a new topic called Python programming series. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. Python was created by Guido van Roosevelt in the year 1991. About Guido van Roosevelt was born in 31st Jan 1956. Roosevelt was a Dutch programmer. He is the creator of popular Python programming language. When Roosevelt begins implementing Python, Roosevelt was also reading publishing script from Monty Python's Flying Circus. It is a BBC comedy series from 1970s. Roosevelt wanted to name his series short, unique and slightly mischievous. So he decided to call the language as Python. Python is used for web developing, software developing, data science and system scripting. Why we have to use Python? Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux and Raspberry Pi. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Python runs on interpreter system and also Python code can be executed. Python can be treated as a procedure oriented language or object oriented language or even function oriented language. Python uses new line where other programming language use semicolon or parenthesis to complete the command. Let us see more about Python and how to install Python in our computer. Open your browser and get into the site python.org. This is the official site of Python where you can download the Python, get knowledge about Python, where you can get news and updates of the Python. You can see here uses of Python. Python are used in different platforms. Python modules like Django, Pyramid and Flash are most commonly used in web development. And in GUI development, Tinkter and PyQt are mostly used. In data science, SciPy and Pandas are mostly used. In software development, BuildBot are mostly used. Also in system administrator. Let us open and see the Python docs and PyPI. Python docs is a place where we can get knowledge about Python. Let us get into the Python tutorial. Here in the Python tutorial you can see that all the things in Python are given by chapter. There is about 16 chapters where you can get knowledge about Python. Next we can see about PyPI. PyPI is Python package index. Here you can see different Python package index published by different peoples. Also anyone can publish their Python packages in PyPI site. Let us search for a Python package called NumPy. The first result is a NumPy where I expected. NumPy is mostly used for data science projects. I will show you later how to install Python packages into our PC. Now let us download and install Python in our PC. Now let us go to home page and click download. Now let us move down. Here you can see different versions of Python. Here there is available of Python from 2.1. 2.1 is the earliest version of the Python. Now Python 2 reached the end of the life. Now we are going to download Python 3.7. Click on the download button. You will be redirected to this page. Here you can download the operating system dependent file. Currently I am using Windows 64-bit machine, so I will be downloading Windows 86-64 executable installer. If you are using 32-bit Windows machine, then download Windows 86 version. Now clicking on Windows 86-64 installer. Now I have downloaded Python Windows executable installer. Now I am going to install the Python. So double click the Python executable file. Click on the tick box, add Python to the path and click on install now. And let us wait for installing. After installing, close the dialog box. To make sure that Python is installed in your computer, open your command prompt by pressing Windows key plus R and type cmd and hit enter. type python hyphen hyphen version, it will return the current version of Python. Here we have successfully installed Python 3.7 in our computer. Let us see hello world program in Python. Just type Python and print hello world. Python has less number of lines in hello world program.